What's up everybody, Simon here. In this video, I want to go ahead and review and unbox a Movssou, I think that's how you name these, E7 noise canceling headphones. Now these have active noise canceling. They are supposedly really good for the price. We're going to see if they are worth the cost. Going for about $30 or so on Amazon. The link is below. Again, this is the E7 version. It's brand new. We're going to take a look at the packaging. It feels flimsy inside or loose, but we're going to see if these are worth it or if you could get a good quality noise canceling headphones for under $50. These again are $30. So let's see and find out. Before I get into this review, I always ask you guys for the biggest favor. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so we have the active noise canceling headphones. It says E7 at the top. Nothing really serious here or interesting on the box. Nothing on the sides, the top, or the bottom. But on the back, of course, it says active noise canceling. That's pretty much it. Overall, you got some indicators, made in China, an Amazon QR code, a product serial number, which is actually not even here, which is interesting. But let's see what these are all about. All right, I'm gonna get my knife. We're gonna go ahead and open this box and see. I don't even know, this is kind of a tricky box. This is why you have me doing these reviews, so I can find out where the shrink wrap starts and ends, and you don't have to suffer. All right, so we're getting the shrink wrap off. We're gonna know more about this box as soon as we get the shrink wrap off. So that's a fun part. Now the box feels a bit flimsy. I will be honest, it doesn't feel sturdy. But this is the red version, and these come in 7 different colors, as you can see on Amazon. Inside, you do have a little bit of a manual, a little flimsy headphone holder, a USB-C, which is good, to a regular USB, or that we've been seeing a Type A, and then 2 stickers that need to be peeled off from the headphones themselves. You do get an auxiliary cable as well if you want to plug it into your iPad or any device that accepts it. So we're going to go ahead and put that away. The cable's not that long. First impression, the cushions feel really good. I like the red vinyl on top. It's sturdier or harder, and at the bottom there is some give here, so you do have some cushioning throughout. They're pretty light. There's a QC Pass sticker. Obviously you would remove that. You don't want that sticker. And overall, they're a nice design. I do like the red, which is probably one of their most popular parts. I assume this is the power button, volume plus, volume down. Now there's a noise canceling button. This is where you'd get your auxiliary. Only one microphone if you're making calls, so we're gonna see if this is a good headphone for making calls as well. On the manual, it talks about getting started. You definitely want to charge these up, which we're gonna do, but you turn it on and off with this button here, and it's also a play and pause answer call button. Now you could tap this for volume up or for previous song, at the bottom one, and then next song would be the top one. Actually, volume down is next song and volume up is previous song. That's a little bit weird as well. USB Type-C charging, that's really good. Now these do adjust, and it feels pretty sturdy. This is thick. So it's a piece of plastic that's bound by metal. I like that design. They do swivel a bit for easier storage, but nothing overall where you're gonna get, these much smaller. On the back of the manual is just a little bit more function guidance. So if you lost the manual, you could see it. A long press is a previous song, a short press is volume up on the positive. So long press is a previous, short press is volume up. On the minus, it's a next song, long press, short press, volume down. Now, short press on this is play, pause, answer, and end a call, and a long press is ready for pairing or on and off. So once you hold this up like this, it would power on if they have batteries, and these are obviously not charged, so we're gonna go ahead and charge them up and see how well they sound, and then pair them. Now, on the bottom is the noise canceling, and a short press will just turn it on and off, and we'll see how the noise canceling is, okay? Let's see how these Movssou. I hope I say it right. These names are crazy how they fit on my head. Now there's a left indicator and the right indicator, as you can see. Overall, they're pretty good. They fit great. They're not too heavy. They are pretty bulky standing out. So you can see how they look on my head. I will go ahead and pair them up with my phone and play a song right now. Okay, so I got these paired up with my phone. I am going to go ahead and play a rap song here, and the rap song is going to determine bass. I'm also going to go ahead and turn on the noise canceling to see if the noise canceling is as good as some of the other earphones or headphones that I have tested. So first, let me play this song, and here we go.
See, Rush.
Okay. Sound quality is pretty good, I will say. Decent amount of bass, not too much bass, so you're not going to get that thump. It's not a Beats headset. Again, it's $30 or so. So you got the noise canceling here. I am going to go ahead and turn that on as well because right now it's not in noise canceling mode. A short press does that. And the noise canceling does have some effect to the sound. So I feel a little more immersed, but again, these are not the best. I will say that they do have quite a few reviews, over 1,600 reviews on Amazon. If you're looking for entry-level noise canceling headphones for yourself or maybe your children or as a little gift here, these are not bad. They feel great on the ear. That's what I like. The cushions feel good. The sound is not the most impressive. The noise canceling is definitely not the best. Okay, but it's there, and I think it's because it's one microphone on the active noise canceling. A lot of headphones have two, and the premiums even have four. All right, let's play another song here. We're gonna play something more decent in terms of acoustics, not as much bass. So I'm gonna play a popular song here, and here we go. Pretty good. Turn up the volume. Okay, short press. Yeah. I mean, I like that. They're not bad for the price. Okay, so let's go over some highlights. In terms of making a call, I wouldn't do it with these. There's no transparency mode, so in noise canceling, with it being on, I already sound muffled. I would imagine it's like everything else out there without transparency mode, so I'm not gonna bother, okay? They feel great. My ears don't feel too warm. The vinyl is good, and it cups it really well. My ears actually fit well in these. It doesn't feel like it will fall off, and it's not too tense. And now that I took them off, it does feel like I could talk again. Let's go some highlights on these Movssou E7s. So obviously the ANC, the advanced noise canceling technology, filters the noise surrounding it. It will play and cancel out that noise. Now I rate this noise canceling headphone at about a 5 out of 10. Bose to me makes some of the best noise canceling headphones, as well as Sony, the 1000 XM4s. You could check that out on my reviews as well. Both the Bose 700s, the QC35s. Now they came out with the QC45s. I got to review that. But Bose and Sony are the best. Again, those are $300 products, 10 times what this costs. So we got to keep that in mind. These aren't bad. These are supposed to have some superior call quality, but I felt myself muffled, and overall, I actually did end up making a call after reading some of the specs, and the E7s actually were not bad for a call. Now, the noise canceling did cancel out the noise from the surrounding environment. I did feel immersed in the call. However, again, I like to be able to hear transparency mode in calls. It just makes that call a little bit more fluid. It doesn't feel nasally. I don't sound different than I normally do. So, but the E7s did pretty good with the call. There was no static or disruption, and I don't think they're bad. I think they're actually a good headphone for the price, especially with noise canceling. Now, these feature 45mm drivers, so the sound was good. Again, it's not the best. You're not going to get Beats quality sound out of these, in my opinion. However, it was decent. It was pretty good. The bass was there. It wasn't too rough. The treble was good. The mids and lows were decent. I felt like these are good headphones. They weren't over the top that wowed me, and that's because I'm spoiled with a lot of headphone and earbud reviews. However, for the price, I think these were great. I would buy these, say, for a student or a gift. They sounded excellent as a first pair of headphones that you don't mind if someone messes up. These are not bad. They do advertise a super soft vinyl, and I will agree, these felt great. They felt as good as some of the higher end headphones I've tested. They're super soft. They conform to your ear. The vinyl feels thin, but durable. What I liked about these E7s is they have all-day battery life. They're talking about 30 hours of battery life, and to me that's important out of a headphone. With 30 hours you could get through any plane ride or a flight. You could pretty much take these anywhere without the worrisome of charging. They felt really good on my head, so I'm glad to see that they offer 30 hours. I think that's incredible for the price of these headphones with noise canceling, and they just feel solid. They do feel really good. They don't feel like a flimsy, cheap headphone, which I've reviewed countless times on this channel because of the fact that you're buying a lower quality product. You don't get that here, and I'm actually quite impressed with the feel. Of course, you could play these with Android, Apple, your computer, or laptop, or PC, etc. that's looking for a great noise canceling headphone. I would probably opt for something a little higher end, maybe even a previous generation product versus this product. They're not the best. However, they provide sound quality for their price, and that's where this review sits. So would I recommend it? If you're looking for a headphone under $50, the E7s by Movssou, again, I have a hard time saying this name, are not bad. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Please give us a like, comment below if you have these, check out techvisibility.com, and subscribe to our channel. On to the next unboxing video. Thank you.